All right, it is Sunday, August 22nd, 9 p.m. East Coast time. Let's look at HVBT, Hive Blockchain Technologies. Stock's been around since 2017. Remember, blockchain was pretty big, but 2017, 2018? Um, Big candle here. This stock went to 525 back in 2017, then came all the way back. Pretty much, hung between 6 cents. Yeah, be kidding me. I didn't know it was this low. Yeah, I was just looking at the chart just now. 6 cents, 4 cents to 50 cents. Wow. Imagine if you bought this at 4 cents and this went to 550. You're probably like millionaire. Have hundreds of thousands from this. All right, so this moved 50 cents, $2, all the way to a high of 575. Wow. Then you had to move down like the rest of the stocks, these bounces didn't hold. It did come out here and get to a high of 330, went down to 175-ish, or actually 187. It was a nice little move here. And then, back and forth. A lot of these choppy candles, like they're fake outs, like this and this. And he stopped out longs. Then he came roaring back to 325 plus. And then he had another little pullback. And then there we go again. We're testing at 325. Crossing over. I like this. This looks like this is headed towards 350, 375.4, I would say at this point. The weekly. Yeah, see this bottom? You have a nice flat bottom stochastics. Look at this. This is a straight up screamer long on stochastics. White over red. Not even like a bend straight. And look at this hammer. This hammered right down at the 23.6 fibs level, 275, and then up we go. So I like this a lot. Weekly or monthly getting a crossover. And look at the 1320 EMA. This is a big, you could say like a cup and handle sort of, but it's a big cup. Move up. Actually, the whole thing, I was looking down further, but this is a cup. There's your handle, and then off we go. So really in a cup and handle, it's a 1, 2, like 3, 4, and then 5 move, and then up we go. So this is looking really strong. Support right here. Look at this. Look at these little candles. 270. I would use that as my stop. So HVBT. Keep that on radar if you trade that. Right here is ARKK, Arc Innovation. This is Kathy Woods. What is she? CEO, or I guess the head of her fund, I guess you could say. She has a lot of different art products. Back in March, like a lot of stocks, this was $33. And, this went to a high of 159.70. Look at that. That is a great run. Then this came back very strong to 110, bounced back to 100. That was a nice long TP call at 100 to 130. It's a $30 move in about a month and a half. And now back and forth. See, we're in a chop here. This could be a head and shoulders and be a fake out. Although we're oversold here, so we could bounce. Yeah, I hate that. See, TC2000, they put these weird candles. It's like an error, a glitch. I hate when they do that. So it's not really up there. But what you have here is a high, low. It's like a double bottom. You could put this maybe as a triangle. So it looks like it's doing this. Then eventually could break up. You see it, 2 ways on a descending triangle. The move up, came down, a little bit up. So the high is getting lower. So this is a trend down, which isn't good for longs. Let's look at the monthly. Monthly's coming down. It's as low as it's been for a while now. You have a big, strong 13 EMA over 20 EMA. You're back and forth here. So not really showing much yet as far as signals in this. But okay, let's look at the long side. You're looking for 120, 125, 130. If we can get there, if you think this is going to break out up, and it's oversold, so could make another loop up here. And your bottom here is this low 113.27, and rate on this day right here, which is 112.69. Well, that's actually higher, but you get the point here on this low. So that's on ARKK, Arc Innovation. Excuse me, this has been on a big run. Look at that. incredible run. And the other stock, HDV2, which is extremely strong blockchain. So that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments. Stock, any stocks you want me to look up, any information, it's always good. Instagram, Mike Cayman Alerts. StockTwits, Mike Cayman Alerts. Twitter, Mike J Trades. And TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades. That's it for now. Peace.